Have you ever been working in your garage and you just need that quick handy light, but you don't want to pull a cord? It's all about LED lights. No plugs necessary and plenty of power for those awkward angles. I'm Anthony Bailey, and this week we're giving you a first-hand look at the Coast LED work light. It's battery operated and rechargeable, and it's got a whole host of features. Here's how it works. Today I'm walking you through the Coast WLR1. The work light is rated at 1150 lumens of brightness and has options for multiple beam sizes. The light also has a 3-step power switch, shifting from low to medium and a high beam. Now users can recharge this built-in battery using the included USB cable. I'd like to give a big thanks to our friends over at Ace for helping me to find this one. I'll add a link to it in the description below. Now you can also find these types of lights at your local hardware store or even online at places like Amazon. Holding the light in my hand, it felt sturdy and pretty well built. I found that one of the first things that caught my attention was the manual focus ring on the front. Now this is what allowed the light to shift from the wider flood beam to more narrow focused beam. Now on the back was where you found the multiple level power selector. Also on the back panel was a USB power cord slot for charging the light. Now it also has a USB-A slot, which also allows charging up other devices using the light as a battery. And underneath that safety shield was also an LED indicator. Now this allows you to know when the battery on the light needs to be recharged. With a few clicks, the light worked in a traditional stand mode, and with a few more clicks of the light, the 180-degree handle also allowed it to be hung. This model didn't have magnets on it, which would have made it a little easier to hang, but for DIYers, I think it's a small drawback, but still a great value for the price. All right, so we've had a chance to unbox the Coast light. It's a great work light. It's actually pretty heavy duty for the size of it, and I think it's well built. It's gonna be great for the DIYer. I'm looking forward to using this. We actually have a Mustang project coming up, a 1966 Mustang, and I think this is gonna be great for getting underneath it. Also, I really love the focus aspect of this light. I think it's a really great buy, not to mention it charges just using this USB cable, of course. If you got some value out of this video, feel like you learned something today, go ahead and click that like button and smash subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest DIY projects here at Bailey Build.